Hey! Welcome to the tutorial. I'm Jordan Hayes, lead AI and data specialist at Dashboard Builder, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Google Gemini API for data analysis. Let's get started. Okay, so let's dive into this, yeah? We're going to get started by grabbing that API token from Google Gemini. It's super easy, so don't worry about it. All right, first things first. Go ahead and sign in to Google AI Studio or the Google Cloud Console. Once you're in, just head to the API Accesses section. You'll see it right there. Next, you're going to want to create your API key. Just click Create API Key. Find your project, and boom, there you go. You're all set with your token. Once that key's generated, don't forget to copy it. Maybe save it somewhere safe. Trust me, you'll need it later to make sure everything works smoothly. Okay, now that we've got the key, let's jump into Dashboard Builder and plug that token in. So, you're going to log into Dashboard Builder. Use your credentials, of course, and head over to the Settings section. When you get there, look for AI Integration. Under AI Integration, just click Yes to enable it, and then select Gemini from the list. Easy peasy. Now, just pop that API token into the secret API keys field. And if you want faster processing, you can enable caching. Just click Cache Enable, then hit Save Changes, and you're good to go. All right, it's time for the fun part, analyzing some data. Pick the chart you want to dig into and click Edit, then go to Chart Settings. Or you can just double-click the top bar of the chart. Either way, you'll get to where you need to be. Once you're there, open up the Properties panel and make sure to check the Show Analyze Data box. This is where the magic happens, folks. Want to keep this feature hidden? No problem. Just uncheck that box. But whatever you do, don't forget to hit Save Changes. Now, once the analysis is finished, it's time to check out those results. Just hover over the chart you analyzed and click the Analyze Data icon. A little window will pop up with all the insights from your data analysis. You'll see the full report with your chart, along with all the cool stuff Gemini's come up with to help you understand the data better. So, now that you've got the report, let's break it down a bit. First off, you've got Observations, which give you the lowdown on the key trends in your data. Then there's Prediction, which is all about forecasting what's coming next. And don't forget the How to Improve section. It's packed with strategies to make your data even better. Plus, there are some suggestions for what you can do next to address any challenges that came up. And that's a wrap. You've successfully created a dashboard using Google Gemini API for data analysis in Dashboard Builder. How easy was that? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates on Dashboard Builder. Happy analyzing, everyone!